Going across to more breaking details coming in, a blast-like sound that was heard in the orchards of Kashwa Zenapora in Shopia. We are learning that joint security forces have rushed to the spot to find out what the blast was. So far, we only have confirmation that it was a blast-like sound. Whether it was actually an explosive that resulted in that sound, whether it was an explosive that had blasted, is something we are yet to confirm. But these are details coming in from Shopia, deferred pictures of how joint security forces are now trying to get to the depth of this. So far, we can only confirm that a blast-like sound that was heard in the orchards of Kashwa Zenapora in Shopia. Zeenat will join us shortly to take us through the details of what this blast was. But the area that clearly suggests that these are orchards that are lined adjacent to each other. And pictures from Shopia. I believe Zeenat is also with us on the broadcast. Zeenat, what was this blast?
See, we are yet to get any confirmation about the nature of the blast, but the blast-like sound was heard by the locals in the Kashwa. This is the Zenapora area in Shopian where the blast-like sound was heard, and immediately the joint forces, as we can show you in the visuals that we are beaming on the screen, that these are the visuals that is coming from the Zenapora Shopian, where immediately after hearing the blast-like sound, the joint forces of J&K police along with the army rushed to these orchards in Zenapora Shopian to find out what this blast-like sound was on. As of now, the sniffer dogs and other machinery has been deployed, and also the men in uniform are working to find out these kind of blasts, because as of now there is no confirmation about the nature of the blast. But yes, the security agencies, the law enforcing agencies on ground are investigating the entire matter. We can only confirm that the joint forces have rushed to the spot as the sound, the blast-like sound, was heard by the locals, by the concerned police station, and immediately the parties were deployed in these orchards. And you see that the kind of devices, the electronic devices, the scanners that are being used to scan the entire area where this blast-like sound was heard.
All right, Zeenat, many thanks for getting us those details. Of course, we'll come back to you once you gather further information on what this blast was.
Hello and welcome. You're watching Live and Breaking at 4:30 p.m. I am Tanisha Avasthi. Our top story remains on the friction that is only continuing in the India Alliance. First, it was the TMC which has said that they do not have faith in Rahul Gandhi. Today, the Aam Aadmi Party has said that they will go solo in the Delhi elections.